You know when you're outdoors gaming, it's cold, you've got some hot tea, and you need power. Well, I've got the test rack for you. Hey guys, Thunder E here, and out there I was gaming using the Vita 550 from Growatt to show you that you can actually do whatever you want as a gamer anywhere playing the games you love. Now, the Vita 550 is a portable power solution from Growatt, and I want to give them a big shout out for sponsoring this video and also sending us the Vita 550 to fully check out. I really like this device, and it's not just because this is a sponsored video, it's the fact that the portability and the functionality built into the Vita 550 takes it to the very next level. Now, there are a ton of power solutions out there that you can buy, but what I like from Growatt is that they've brought in all their experience, about 11 years in, of course, the power solution game, and they put into a device that is portable, easy to move around, and also brings a lot of great things. So let's go back to me outdoors gaming, right? I'm sitting out there and I've got the Vita 550 set next to my Xbox Series S, which I have, of course, a portable screen. I can power that on. I can also go ahead and charge my devices with the wireless charging solution on the very top. I can also move it around anywhere I want to because of how light and easy it is. Toss it up in the air is not a problem, but please do not do that. But it's easy to take around with you. Now, as we come back into the house here, I want to show you what you can actually do with this device. Connect my PlayStation, my Xbox, my TV to the 3 AC ports. There's also a car charging port as well. And then you do have a couple more ports, USB ports in general, giving you 11 ports in total. Now, the fact that it has 11 ports is nice, but the fact that you can isolate and control those ports is even more impressive. There are physical buttons to turn them on and off. You do have an LED screen that gives you a lot of information there. And of course, that wireless charging at the very top. Now, the Vita 550 is not just a power solution, it's one that charges really, really fast. So say for instance, you want to go camping or you've got some work to do outdoors and you need portable power and you don't have it charged up. Well, you can of course charge it through 3 ways. You can charge it either solar, direct via AC. Of course, you can use a car charging port as well, which is all on the left-hand side of the device. Now, the charging speeds are really impressive. We've got 1.6 hours of fast charging here, meaning you fully charge this device in 1.6 hours at 500 watts. And I timed it from about 42%, and you can see the results yourself. It was really impressive. Other portable charging solutions do not charge this fast. They may take about 5 or 6 hours. This slow charging on the Vita 550 is 3.5 hours, while charging with a solar panel, a 240 watt solar panel, will give you about 2.5 hours of charging time. So again, doesn't matter what solution you use, it charges really fast, and that's pretty cool. Now, the other thing I do like about this device is that it's got an app, and you're going, okay, why should I care about an app? So I go into the app here, I can connect to my Vita 550, I can connect via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, you ask? Well, because I could have it as a power solution for a specific device at home, and remotely I could turn it on and off, and I can also see what's going on. The other thing too, it gives you more information on what the Vita 550 is doing. So you've got, of course, input showing you how much power that's coming in, and then you've got output. Of course, I've got a ton of things plugged in. You can see the wattage output, you can see the temperature it's running at, you can see how much battery life you have, how long that will last as well. You can also isolate those various ports. So you've got the 3 AC ports you can turn off remotely, as well as also the USB power ports, which you can turn off remotely as well. You can turn on the built-in lights into this device. So this thing is multifunctional, and this is a smart portable power charging solution. It doesn't have to be, but I like the fact that they made it that way. And the best thing of all is that it can still power all my devices that I want to. In this case, as a gamer, I'm testing it out, of course, with the Xbox, the PlayStation, to see how that performs, and it does a great job. For anyone else, whatever you want to do power-wise, whether it's outdoors, whether it's just in your backyard, you can do with the Vita 550, and it does a fantastic job. So with a price point of $529, you think, well, this is a pretty good offering. Well, Growatt is giving you a special offer at $429. Plus, I do have a discount code that gives you $30 off to bring that price even lower, making it one of the most affordable and honestly the best portable solutions in its category. So if you're someone who loves to hike, camp, and you just want power on the go, the Growatt 550 is a really good solution, especially with 528 watt hours of capacity. This will do the job for you, or like me, you can just game outside with it. So this is Thunder E saying thank you. Definitely check out the link down below to pick up yours, and always enjoy your entertainment.